The yellow ones. Oh man, nice, nice. All right, welcome back. Today we're working on the crash bar because we need to put the bumper back into place and line up all the gaps. How to do that? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. You need to get them out. Use a washer, put the washer all the way to the back. So you put the bolt in through the crash bar, then put a washer, then bolt it into the frame. Once you do that, you'll be able to basically put it forward just a smidge. That's all what we need, just a smidge, so that we can line it up perfectly. And as we tighten it up, we make sure that we raise it all the way up, tighten the bolts, and that basically puts it up and forward. Quite easy, right? Let's do that. Okay, so we raised it up and we put some shims and washers over there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just see if I can grab some light for you to see. Yep, you can see the shiny ones over there. So basically we raised it up and we put it forward just a bit. And you can clearly see that it's slightly in front. Let me see if I can put the bumper now and see if it lines up perfect or better than before. And basically that concludes the whole bumper installment. Apart from that, just basically hook it up, put the screws, and you're good to go. Let's go with that. Check this beauty out. Front bumper fully installed. These spaces that you can see over here, it's basically the fender. I need to line up the fender. Look, man. Gorgeous. I actually like how it turned out. Yep, not amber, but orangey or yellow, dare I say. Good God, it looks good. This is the other side. Which brings me to the last piece of the puzzle. These two plastic pieces. You can clearly see that the black is not blackish enough. I'm thinking to quickly sand them, apply some primer, well, adhesion promoter for plastic, then apply some satin black. Let's get that done. I just need to remove this one out.
A few moments later.
There you go. Adhesion promoter. And look, cleaned up. And this is just the adhesion promoter. I haven't even applied the black. You can see that I've masked this side because this is like a rubber thing. So I'd rather not to have any paint on it. But apart from that, looking good. And there you have it. Painted black, waiting for it to dry. It's a rainy day, so I'm gonna give it extra time to dry just to make sure that everything is okay. Not only did I paint this one, check it out. Yep, I even painted the screws. So this old girl will get back into shape. That was a quick and easy video for you guys. There you go. Painted, dried, and properly installed. And man, it's shiny black. Well, it's a satin black, but you don't see any marks, you don't see anything. It looks as if it's new, pretty much. Wow. Let's see how the bumper is lining up even better. This one, guys, I tried it. Believe me, I tried it. This car took a hit at one point, so that's why it's curved a bit. With a heat gun, you might be able to do it, but I'm thinking this one needs to be pushed outside. But so far, I'm digging it. Let me try to switch the car on and see if we can get the blinker. Yep, blinker is good. Let's see if we can get the yellow ones. Oh man, nice, nice. Yeah, this one is is a bit faded. Although I do believe it's just simply light. Both of them are working. I like it. Let's just turn it off. Turn it off. On second thought, I don't like how this light was blinking or shining. It was dimmed in comparison to the other one. So I took it out and I got it out. So this is it basically. Yeah. Long and behold, we've got these. This is from the Mercedes when we changed the lights to LED. And this is when we bought them for the Subaru. So yep, this is a red color. This is a blue color, I do believe. And I think they do fit. Let me hook up the battery and try them out with you guys. Just give me a sec. So, this is the original one. I hooked it up. Let's go turn the car on. Yeah, see? See how dimmed? Doesn't even look nice. Let's just take this one and try some of the LEDs. This is the red one. Now remember, if it doesn't work, just flip it to the other side. Basically, that's how it should be. Oh wow. This is red. Let's just see if we put it inside. Oh, that looks sexy. I'm digging it. Let's just try the blue. See how the blue will function. Doesn't work? Flip it to the other side. That's how it is. Oh wow. Whoa. That's it. Yeah. Nah, right? I don't think so. Blue is a bit too much. Let's try something else. I don't know if that fits, but here goes nothing. Oh wow, this is bright. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know about you. I really don't like it's white. It makes it look white. Because it is white. There's another one. Does it work? Does it not? And this is like a different setup. That's pretty much the same concept. I guess red is the best color. Alright. Red it is. Yeah. Red is sure as hell is the best. And boy, it's bright. I dig it. Let's change the other one as well. Actually, what about this one? Should we change this one? Let's see if we can pop that one out and change it. Because this one, me likey. Yeah, this one is not gonna cut it. Because this one is a different setup. See? It didn't work. Let's put this one back on. We don't want to mess with this one. And get back to that normal one. I'm just gonna hook it up and I'll show you how it's gonna look like once it's done. Both sides. Cool. Both sides are done. Well, this one is not installed yet. It's just so that you can see this is the red. And check it out. That's mean from a distance. And as you get closer, yep, you can see it's red. Gorgeous. Right. Tidy this one up. Let's wrap it up. What do we say? We bring the good old girl down on its own wheels. I'm gonna be over there using the jack and put it down. So you're gonna see it tilted to the side. Enjoy the show. you think? Looks cool, eh? Let's do the other side as well and take it from there. Oh my god. Old girl on its own wheels. And the stains are looking sexy. This is a mug shot. Right here. That's a nice mug shot. Got the blinkers changed. Everything done. All is good. That's a quick video to show you how to change the bulbs. Do whatever you need to do. And boy, I love the shine. We still got another trick up our sleeve for the paint, so hold on to that. Anyways, if you like what you see, stick around till next episode. Until then, enjoy your time. Yalla.